Miralax is a laxative solution that increases the amount of water in the intestinal tract to stimulate the bowel movements. Miralax is used as a laxative to treat occasional constipation or irregular bowel movements. Indications. This medication is used to treat occasional constipation. It works by holding water in the stool to soften the stool and increases the number of bowel movements. It is known as an osmotic type laxative. This medication is also available without a prescription. How to use. Take by mouth usually once daily or as directed by a doctor or the directions on the product package. If you are prescribed the individual packets, mix the powder as directed by a doctor or pharmacist. If you are using the bulk bottle, use the provided cup to measure the prescribed dose. Mix the powder with a glass, 4 to 8 ounces, 120 to 240 milliliters of liquid such as water, juice, soda, coffee, or tea. Before drinking the solution, stir the powder well until it completely dissolves. If you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. This medication may cause certain liquid thickeners, starch-based product to not work well, which may increase the risk of choking. If you are using liquid thickeners with this medication, talk to a pharmacist to select a liquid thickener which will not interact with this medication. It may take 2 to 4 days after you have started this medication to a bowel movement. Do not increase your dose or take it more frequently than prescribed. Also, do not use this medication for more than 2 weeks unless directed by a doctor. Tell a doctor if your condition persists or worsens. Extended use or overuse may result in dependence on laxatives and chronic constipation. Overuse may cause diarrhea, dehydration, and mineral imbalance, such as low sodium. Contraindications. If you have irritable bowel syndrome with symptoms such as stomach pain, nausea, and vomiting, or have had sudden changes in your bowel movements in the last 2 weeks, talk to a healthcare professional before starting Miralax to make sure there is nothing more serious going on. If you are at a high risk of side effects or complications from Miralax use, your doctor or pharmacist can offer alternative laxative tablets, stool softeners, or fiber supplements to relieve constipation or help clear your system naturally. Precautions. Do not take Miralax for more than 7 days without talking to a doctor. Eat high-fiber foods, drink plenty of clear liquids, and exercise regularly. Call a doctor if you become pregnant while taking Miralax. Miralax side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have any signs of an allergic reaction to Miralax, hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop taking this medication and call a doctor at once if you have severe or bloody diarrhea, rectal bleeding, blood in your stools, or severe and worsening stomach pain. Common Miralax side effects may include bloating, gas, upset stomach, dizziness, or increased sweating.